You mentioned diabetes.
Mm-hmm.
Can you talk about the strategy behind recent acquisitions and investments to help clarify how you see Medtronic's role evolving in that space?
Yeah, well, a number of things. First of all, our aspirations for diabetes are quite high. We want to participate in the broader market as opposed to just in the type 1 market. It's not that we're walking away from the type 1 market, because we feel that that is our core expertise, and there's still a lot of work to do to further enhance our capabilities to serve those patients and also access more patients around the world in type 1. But I think you'll agree that for the total population of people with diabetes, type 1 is a fairly small percentage. And so our approach here is to use our key assets, which is a keen understanding of the diabetes therapy, a critical mass in patient management services, which we've established through our type 1 effort. We have a very strong patient care center. Our expertise in continuous glucose monitoring, and applying that to a broader set of type 2 patients, but really with solutions in mind. With overall solutions in mind, which is not just a single technology.
Where does the Dutch acquisition come in?
It comes right in right. Well, diabetes is more around type 1 at this stage. Pediatric type 1, so it's pretty narrow.
Okay.
But what diabetes does is that it enables us to understand and get expertise in patient management services, which in some ways is agnostic to our product, in the disease area that we're in, but not always dependent on our product, because it treats type 1 patients whether they need a pump or not. And so patient management services, dealing with that patient population in a systematic way, and then applying our thinking to that model is what we're doing. And you expect to see more of that from us.
So diabetes would be the first example of a company where Medtronic actually employs physicians now. Would that be fair to say?
Yes.
How do you...
Well, we employ physicians within the company, but a lot, right? But this is the first example where physicians are actively managing patients.
Right.
Now, there's a firewall there in terms of the physician manages the patient first.
Right.
And is not really thinking about any sort of interest in just selling our products or anything like that. So, in fact, our whole view there is to understand patient management agnostic from our products. So that and we ensure that procedure is well established.